Hello beauties, welcome again to Women Hairstyles. I want you guys to check out this beautiful ways to highlight your eyes and cheekbone. One thing about this haircut is that they are modern haircut that is classy with that touch of modernization. This haircut, you can see, has those softer edges, and you can see the beautiful undercut that is versatile, and it's a hairstyle that's ideal, like when you really want everything that a long man can offer. It's flexible and with much easier maintenance. It's really a good haircut that can help beautiful outline your face, and will always give you that polished look you want. And it's a haircut, you can see, that will always make that perfect transition whichever way you are moving. So this is a cut for beautiful black women that really want a wash and go style, because it's great for really balancing your forehead. Surprisingly, you can see it will also put the wider foreheads, and for those that have the heart-shaped faces, because it's a haircut that will really lend your hair natural movement without excessive layering. And take a good look on the side and see how amazing this haircut really looks on her. Let me just let you guys to please serve out the rest of the styles we have. I want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers and to my new subscribers. Welcome to Women Hairstyles, and see you in my next upload. Bye for now.